Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson, then and now. Look at the both pictures given below. What difference do you see? Tell your teacher. Okay. So what the difference here? One is modern house, another one is old house. Okay. In the circle on the left, write down the names of material that we were used to build houses in earlier days. In the circle on the right, write down the names of the materials used today. In the overlapping part, write down the write down what materials are common to both types of houses. Okay? So earlier days, mud, clay, wood, thatch. Bricks, stones. Bricks, stones, steel, cement, glass, so common to both is bricks and stone. Okay. Answer the questions. How did the design of houses in the past suit the climate of the place? The houses in the past were designed to suit the climate of the place. The people built houses from materials that were available locally. The houses were made of bricks which were whitewashed, and the floor was made of stone. Understood? Next, why is so much electricity used in buildings today? A lot of electricity is used in the buildings today. Buildings today to run the lifts, to pump up the water for each house, and to run all the electrical gadgets. Okay. Next, why are apartment blocks and skyscrapers built? Apartment blocks are built to make it possible for many people to live in a locality. Skyscrapers, on the other hand, are built to accommodate more offices. Okay. Next, write the advantages of using bamboo as a building material. So, bamboo, it is, oh, this is third one. So, fourth, it is strong and can be used for walls and flooring. Bamboo grows quickly and can be grown in any part of the world. Okay, understood? For this, we finished our core lesson. Tomorrow, we will see model test paper. Okay, thank you.